What's up, YouTube? This is Rob from Boozer's Backwoods Chronicles with yet another episode. We got a little more work to do on the driveway, and today I'm going to take some of the dirt that's over there. I don't need it over there, and I'm going to put it over here where I do need it. I got a couple low spots, and I want a little bit more along the edge of the garage. So, yeah, we're going to do a little bit more work on the driveway. This part of the driveway is wider than I need it to be, so I'm going to use a box blade to drag some of the road base from here and put it in front of the barn. I'll drag it into a pile using the box blade, and then I'll use the loader to move it over to the barn. Now let's move it over to the barn. Now I'm going to take my bucket and I'm going to spread this out and smooth it out a little bit. Now for a little finishing touches with some hand tools. Float it out to smooth it out a little more, and we'll see how it looks after that. Putting enough downward force on the blade to raise the front tires off the ground just a little bit. I'm doing this to pack this all in. Low spot right behind me over here that was getting a little muddy with the rain we had lately, and I'm gonna level that off a little bit. I'm using the box blade to drag the material from a high spot to a low spot. Now let's smooth it and pack it. spend a little time smoothing the rest of it out, and hopefully we'll be good to go for a while. Now let's smooth it and pack it. Alright, here's the finished driveway. Got it finished all the way down. Got most of the low spots straightened out. There's probably a little bit more work to be done to it, but it's a lot better than it was before. If you got something worthwhile out of this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.